So that's it, guys. We just set up your new brand Palit Pandora AI to the edge. So I'm really happy right now because I just have access to this NVIDIA developed world. It's just like a child opened the box. So we have here the small version of it. We have the medium. So this model is much better, way better than mine that I'm actually lives in Brazil. I usually live in California, but I went deported, so now I'm just living abroad. Not living abroad anymore, I must tell you guys. So I went US to study and go on and developing, so you can have all these Gemma, NVIDIA, blah blah blah, running local, and some might be free and some might be expensive, pretty expensive, depends on how you gonna set up your custom server or anything, or your operation. I'm going to install Gemma for Jetson. I already download Visual Studio, but I want to download the Insiders. I think it's a little bit better. So this Pandora use the architecture of ARM64, so I'm just going for that, and it will download. I'm just getting to know Pandora right now. I already downloaded Discord, but it's not like actually working because I just starting to configuration. So I'm showing you guys the first step. I think it's the most difficult part of a system is to configure it, so you can set up your settings, arrange your personal preference. I have my own, so I like to set up everything, your users. I made a mistake, the first mistake. As a developer, I commit a lot of mistakes, and I'm trying to help you guys to guide you guys by this. So I'm building a lot of systems, so I gotta show you how to build yours, to bring to you guys a creative tool. I call the white side of the technology, yeah, because technology controls us. We do everything about nowadays is technology, tech, AI. So we need to get to understand. So this is how you can expand your creativity. Excuse me for the video's quality. As I said to you guys, I went deported. I lost all my computers. I lost my Mac. I lost my Windows. I lost all my computers, all my stuff. So I'm just I'm like a newborn, but with an old body. I am a developer since Windows 95. So let's start building. Ooh, things getting awesome here. So you just need to open the terminal and run this. It's so easy, Linux. You just need to copy and paste, blah blah blah. Wow, that's awesome. Let's fix NVIDIA. I already installed this one. I will try to fix this because this AI edge computers had some difference about configuration, about system, about it itself. So I'm running it on NVIDIA Jetson region and NX engineering reference developer ARM8 V8 process graphics by Tegra Orin. This capacity 1 tera. I installed the SSD, but I didn't see it here. I need to learn how to put it here because I can't see it. The SSD right now, so I can't put all the files on it and don't make the system crash, because it's like the system is really heavy. I mean, the apps we put on it. So you can install Ubuntu Pro. I don't have, this machine doesn't come. As I said, my one I bought in Brazil. So if you guys have the option, in Brazil technology is really expensive. It's like the 10 times the price. So for you guys living abroad, it's better. I don't know, because you can pay cheaper. So that's it. You can have all LLM support just right into your face, avoiding expensive costs, expensive everything. So we are on. I will install the Firefox. I think it's good browser as well. So this we have the Jetson contained, so can you guys install it on GitHub and configure in your own machine. We have Jetson support just right here as well. We have Jetson Zoom. We have all the stuffs. So I'm just fixing it. I like to have my bookmark table already configured, so just starting right now. That's me. I am a dentist. I went to US for study to go for the DDS, and I started in technology as a doctor, building teeth, building a lot of new smiles. So I got this best job that it was my first job as a developer, helping my uncle, and he learned me a lot of things about computer. So I use for healthcare, I will use for robotics. I will not use for game development because I used to be a gamer, so I'm old, no more gaming anymore. Financial service, I definitely will bring you guys a financial service, telecommunication, just going through. So we have a lot of things here, up in here. So I didn't see any visual in YouTube how long I going to be talking to you guys, learning you guys, guiding you guys. This channel is not like only profit. It's like I want to create a community so everybody can enjoy. So development portals, a lot of things, a lot of things to do. So I'm just feeling awesome right now to have you guys here, and that's it.